Hello guys, I got some package here. I ordered it online and there should be some cool parts in it. So let's take a look. Get the camera, okay. There you go. And let's see. Let's see what we have here. Okay, can you see? Here it is. There's some styrofoam here. Get rid of these. So, what we got? I think there should be, yes. Oh yes. Look at this exhaust pipe, brand new. Very cool. Let's get the plastic out and see how shiny it is. Wow, that's cool, don't you think? Okay, what else we got? I saved those cool things for the last, but here this exhaust curve is here, and some gear cable, and tank cork. Tank will look very nice when we put the new cork on it. And yes, the crown jewel package rack, brand new, with the openings, or what those are called. Let's open those plastics. It's cool to have these all new shiny parts, even that I would like to have all parts original, but the original one was so bad shaped, so I wanted brand new. It would be too much work and it would never look this shiny and good as this does. Yes, this is cool. This way, right, yeah. Can't wait to put it on. Oh yes, it's cool. So we had exhaust pipe, an exhaust curve, some cables, and cork for the tank, and the rack. Actually, that wasn't enough. I still found some new parts from the box. There's some screws for the back gears, and there's some connection bolts for the exhaust pipe, and then there's a light for the, this tiny piece is the rear light. Yes, so that's everything. Actually, I would like to see when I put this on. So here's a tank. Look how beautiful it is. I love these stripes and the logo. Yeah, but let's see how much better it would look like when we get the brand new cork. Oh yes, shiny one. Does it fit? It's pretty tight, but maybe it's a good thing that it's a tight fit. Yeah, here we go. Everything starts to look very nice, very nice. There you go.
And it doesn't fit. Fuck!